Marriott Beach Resort, Hurghada, Egypt. The hotel is located on the seashore of the Red Sea and boasts its private beach and island. It is 5 kilometers from the modern city center of Sakkala and 8 kilometers from the downtown area, which could easily be reached with the hotel shuttle bus. This 283-room resort has every facility that a business or leisure traveler could wish for, starting with wireless high-speed internet access. Other amenities at this air-conditioned establishment include a children's playground and a kids club, as well as a wide variety of in-house restaurants, cafes, and bars. In the residence, guests will have the opportunity to enjoy a professional massage treatment, and more active ones can make use of the extensive sports facilities, including 3 swimming pools, tennis courts, and a fully equipped health club. Marriott Resort features an extensive pool, health club, and its own island with a private beach. All rooms offer views of the Red Sea. It is a 10-minute drive from Marina Hurghada. The rooms are equipped with a 32-inch satellite TV, minibar, and a safe box. The bathroom includes a hairdryer and bidet. Some rooms include a balcony with a sea view. Each morning, an extensive breakfast buffet is served at Short Oak Restaurant or on the outdoor terrace with sea views. Lunch snacks are available from the poolside restaurant, and the Tuscany offers fine al fresco dining. Situated in a separate building, the hotel's health club offers massage rooms. Sports-minded guests can play tennis or enjoy working out at Marriott's extensive gym. For guest convenience, the Hurghada Marriott Red Sea Resort provides beach towels and sun loungers. The hotel's large open patio offers a pleasant place to relax with an Egyptian water pipe or a drink. Comprehensive meeting facilities complemented by expert catering and audiovisual resources. Features 3,552 square of total meeting space. The hotel features a full-service business center, event planning, and catering services. Aquarius at the Marriott is located directly on the beach with a jetty for their fleet of dive boats. The multilingual staff offers diving excursions, potty diving courses for starters professional divers.